This folding wagon stands out for its unusually long double-deck design, so it can handle bulky items like camp chairs, tents, and canopies without awkward overhang. The two-tier layout effectively doubles the usable space, with each level supporting a substantial load, making it well-suited for hauling both heavy gear and lighter extras in one trip. Its large all-terrain wheels, combined with swiveling front casters and integrated brakes, give it stable, quiet rolling over grass, gravel, and pavement while still being easy to steer. Despite the generous capacity, the frame collapses down to a slim, tall package that stores neatly in a garage or car trunk and pops open in seconds with no tools. The adjustable handle lets users of different heights pull the wagon comfortably, and it locks in place so it does not flop around when you stop or park it. Overall, this wagon feels purpose-built for camping, sports events, and yard work, where you need a tough, high-capacity hauler that is still convenient to transport and store.